Did you know that practicing yoga before bed can significantly improve your sleep quality? That's right. Bedtime yoga doesn't just help you wind down after a long day, it also aids in achieving deeper, more restful sleep. So why not give it a try? In this video, we'll guide you through 3 simple yet effective yoga poses that can be done right before bedtime. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, these poses are for you. Prepare your yoga mat and get ready to unwind with these simple yoga poses. Start the session with the child's pose, a comforting and restorative pose. Known in Sanskrit as balasana, this pose is a gentle way to stretch your back and shoulders while also offering a moment of tranquility. Let's delve into how to sink into this soothing pose. Begin on your hands and knees. Spread your knees wide apart while keeping your big toes touching. Exhale and bow forward, draping your torso between your thighs. Your heart and chest should rest between or on top of your thighs. Allow your forehead to come to the floor. Feel the stretch along your spine, shoulders, and chest. This pose helps to release tension, reduce stress, and promote a sense of calm. It's like a gentle, soothing massage for your spine and abdominal organs. The more you surrender to the pose, the more deeply relaxing it becomes. Feel the tension melt away as you relax in this pose. Next up, the legs up the wall pose, a rejuvenating inverted pose. This pose is as delightful as it sounds, and you'll soon discover why. Let's get into it, shall we? Find a cozy spot near a wall. Sit sideways against it, then gently swing your legs up along the wall while pivoting your body to lie flat on your back. Your arms can rest by your sides, palms facing up. Now let gravity do its work. This pose, also known as Viparita Karani, is a treasure trove of benefits. It calms the mind, making it a perfect pre-sleep ritual. Tired leg muscles receive a much-needed break as the reversed gravity helps with circulation. And if that wasn't enough, it's also known to improve digestion. Stay in this pose for a few minutes, breathing deeply and let the tranquility wash over you. Enjoy the soothing effect of this pose on your mind and body. Now, transition to the supine twist, a gentle, restful pose. This pose is all about stretching and relaxing your back muscles and spine. Start by lying flat on your back. Slowly bring your knees to your chest, then gently let them fall to one side. Keep your shoulders flat on the ground and turn your head to the opposite side. This pose not only helps alleviate stress, but it can also promote a better sleep. Breathe deeply and let the tranquility of this pose envelop you. You've just completed 3 simple yet effective yoga poses to help you sleep better. Let's take a quick moment to recap and reflect on what we've learned today. We kicked things off with the child's pose or balasana. This humble pose is all about surrendering to gravity and letting go of the day's stress. It's a gentle stretch for the hips, thighs, and ankles, promoting relaxation and stress relief. Next up, we moved on to the legs up the wall pose or Viparita Karani. This restorative pose is ideal for those who spend long hours on their feet. It helps to relieve lower back tension and promotes blood circulation, making it a perfect antidote to insomnia. Last but not least, we delved into the supine twist or Supta Matsyendrasana. This pose is a gentle way to stretch the back and hips while promoting relaxation. It's also a great way to wind down before bedtime, helping you to release tension and prepare your body for a good night's sleep. Each of these poses carries its own unique benefits, but they all share a common goal: to help you relax, unwind, and sleep better. They're beginner-friendly and can be done right in the comfort of your own home. So why not incorporate these poses into your bedtime routine? It's a simple yet effective way to improve your sleep quality. Consistency is key. The more regularly you practice, the better results you'll see. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried these poses? How did they impact your sleep? We're eager to hear about your experiences and any changes you've noticed in your sleep quality. And if you found this video helpful, why not share it with your friends and family? Experience the transformative power of bedtime yoga. Share your experiences in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful and entertaining videos like this one.